Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Let's build our own empire with money. So it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be explaining and demonstrating you guys on concepts like how to use a Brave browser and how to earn money using Brave browser. So guys, this in front of me is the Brave browser. Okay, this is a complete legal way with which you could just earn a few bucks. So, and you could also earn a few bucks without doing anything. So that is the actual step over here. And guys, before I go into the video, I would like to you know say a few important points to you. Like, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you could just go and click on subscribe button and the bell button near subscribe button. And if you do enjoy this video, then you could just click on thumbs up button at the end of the video. And if you have something to share to me, you could just share it to me uh, over here the comment section. You could just leave comments on whatever the doubts you are having. And now let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. First of all, this video is taken on an Android device, so I'm gonna teach you how to use the Brave browser for Android devices. The steps is going to be the same for the iOS devices too. First of all, you're gonna navigate to the as I'm using an Android device, I navigate to Google Play Store. If you're using iOS device, you can just navigate to the App Store, and then here we're gonna just search for Brave. Okay, so if you search for Brave, this Brave browser over here is our first suggestion. They have a very engaging concept where they actually pay users a share of the year ad revenue. So the concept is, if you are, let's say you are watching 10 ads per day. Okay, so the 10 ads, with the help of 10 ads, the Brave company may earn, let's say they earn about 2 rupees per ad. So it's gonna be a concept of 10, 10 into 2, it's 20 rupees. They earn 20 rupees. Okay, so what they're gonna do is that they're gonna give you like 5 to 10 rupees for you, and then they're gonna keep the rest. So that is how the Brave works. You guys may think that this is very less amount of money, but guys, something is always better than nothing. So that is the thing, and this may actually help you earn money without doing anything. So who tells money that actually comes from everywhere? So this is about the app. You can just go search for Brave and you could install this. I'm gonna update my app over here. Okay. Uh, Now I have successfully updated this application. So this is the application, Brave private web browser. You guys can just go and install it. It's actually having 100 million plus downloads. So this is a pretty safe thing. And what's more is that I have actually withdrawn money from this app. So I can for guarantee say that this app pays you. So once installing, I'm gonna click open. So this open will just directly navigate us to the app. So right now this is the app. Guys, as you can see, I have earned about 1 bat. Okay, so 1 bat is right now about 0.17 USD. So the price may change. So guys, this is the most important thing in the Brave browser. They actually pay you, but they do not pay you directly to your bank account or something. They actually pay to your crypto account where you actually hold BAT tokens. Okay, so that is the steps, and the rate of BAT may change. At few days it may be $1, and at some few days it may be about 0.17 cents. So that is the stuff. So I'm not gonna, guys. Yeah, one of the most important thing is this video is not a promotion. Yes, with a promotion, actually I could earn a lot more, but this video is not a promotion, and I'll not leave my referral link in the description, so you guys can trust it. And guys, if you have not yet watched my other videos, such as how to create unlimited Gmail accounts for free, etc., or how to create or have unlimited virtual for WhatsApp or Telegram, you can just go and check it out. I posted separate videos on that. So let's just not waste any more time and check this out. This is the actual way you receive your bat tokens. This triangle symbol over here, prism symbol over here, actually is the logo of bat. So as you can see here, we actually earn money using a referral promo stats, but I'm not gonna give you guys my referral. So we're gonna just navigate back to Brave. This is the steps. So guys, the most important steps is how to earn money using Brave. Okay, so there are actually two wallets which helps you earn money. One is Gemini and another one is Uphold. So both of these actually pay money. I in the beginning stages I have used Uphold, but due to the insane amounts of fees transfers, I have now shifted to using Gemini. You guys could also try it out. And my mobile, this is something new, so have not yet connected my mobile device to any of the other devices. So you guys uh, you know so guys, actually Brave browser pays you, and I am using Brave in my laptop. So I am earning about 20 cents per month. Actually now the rate of Brave is less, so I'm earning less, but I'm gonna just hold the bat tokens. I'm confident that it's rate is gonna reach bat is gonna reach $1. So in my future I may earn like $1 per month by simply doing nothing, by just using this uh, Brave browser. I'm earning this much. There are a few more features for this Brave browser, like they have a inbuilt ad blocking system, etc. So you guys can just go check it out too. So guys, if you're gonna need a more clear video on how to use Brave browser for earning money, you just leave it in the comment section. I'll try to make a new video on that. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button and the thumbs up button at the end of the video. So once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, bye.